So this is a little introduction to the arithmetic operators in Python. And we've already started using some of them because we've used this equal symbol before when we've created a variable. And in this case, we've got a variable called num1, and we are using equals to assign the number 7 to it. So if we do a couple of little sums, if I create a variable called answer, I could do num1 plus num2. And if I print answer, which I've already got here on line 7, it finds num1, finds the 7, num2 finds the 2, adds them together and gives me the answer of 9. If I put in a minus, it will do 7 minus 2, which gives me the answer of 5. The next two, multiplication, normally would have a cross of multiply, which we don't really have on the keyboard because it's an X. So Python uses the asterisk. So if I use the asterisk, it does 7 times 2, which is 14. And very similar with the division, we don't actually have a symbol for division, the horizontal line, the dot above and below it. So we use the slash, and it will divide 7 by 2. So you can see it's quite easy to do these sums and to just use the numbers that are stored and to change the arithmetic operator. Two new ones that I want to show you is if you want to actually just find the whole number, the integer, then we would use what Python calls floor division, which is a double slash. And if I click on this now, it does the sum 7 divided by 2, but 2 goes into 7 3 times and it ignores the remainder, so it gives me the answer of 3. Likewise, I could use modulus to find the remainder. And what it's given me is 2 goes into 7 3 times and there's 1 left over. So now all it's given me is the remainder. So this could be quite useful if I was trying to find, for example, an odd or even number, whether a number was odd or even. I could evaluate it, say, when I divide it by 2, if the answer is equal to 0, it's an odd number. Sorry, it's an even number, duh. So it is quite useful. So hopefully you can see how we would use these. If I want to make my sum a little bit more complicated, I'm going to do num1 plus num2, and I'm going to multiply it by num3. So if I do that, it gives me the answer of 27. And the reason it's giving me the answer of 27 is it's reading it from left to right, which is how we normally do the sum. But have you seen PIDMAS? I think I've seen it called PIDMAS, BODMAS. And it's about the order in which maths operators work. So the B is for brackets, and this is the same, it's parentheses, just a different name for brackets. And then it does indexing, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So what it's actually done is it's done the multiplication because it comes first. It does multiplication before it does addition. So it's done 2 times 10, which is 20, and it's added num1, which is 7 to it, and give me the answer of 27. So you can see that you have to use the maths logic to get the right answer. So if I put brackets here, what I'm saying is I want you to do this sum first, please. So we do num1 plus num2, find the answer, which should be 9, and then multiply it by 3. So sorry, by 10. So hopefully I will get 90. And there we go, we've got 90. So hopefully that's a very, very quick introduction to the arithmetic operators.